Hello, welcome back to my channel Learning with Fun. Today we are looking at the long vowel sounds and the short vowel sounds. Let's start the topic. We have 5 vowels and they are A, E, I, O, U. Each vowel has 2 sounds. Long vowel sounds and short vowel sounds. In short vowel sounds, vowel A, the sound is A. A. Vowel E, the sound is A. A. Vowel I, the sound is I. I. Vowel O, sound is O. O. Vowel U, the sound is A. A. Here are some examples. K, E, P, cap. Ch, E, T, jet. P, I, K, pig. T, A, K, dog. S, A, sun. If there are one vowel in a word, the vowel sounds will take its short sound. Vowel A and its long sound is A. Vowel E and its long sound is E. Vowel I and its long sound is I. Vowel O and its long sound is O. Vowel U and its long sound is U. Vowel A, long sound is A. Vowel E, long sound is E. Vowel I and its long sound is I. Vowel O and its long sound is O. Vowel U, its long sound is U. If there are 2 vowels in a word, the first vowel will take the long vowel sound and the second one is silent. Word C, A, K, E. In this word, there are 2 vowels. First one is A and the second one is E. If there are 2 vowels in a word, the first will take the long vowel sound and the second one is silent. That is the rule. So, in this situation, the first vowel is A. It will take the long vowel sound, that is A. Now look at this word. The sound of this word K, A, K, and the E is silent. Look at this word L, E, A, F. In this word, there are 2 vowels. First one is E and the second one is A. The first vowel will take his letter's name and the second vowel is silent. L, E, P, leaf. Next word is K, I, T, E. There are two vowels. First one is I and the second one is E. The first vowel first vowel I will take the long vowel sound, that is I, and the second vowel is silent. K, K, I, T, kite. Next word is H, O, P, E. In this word, there are also two vowels, O and E. The first vowel will take the long vowel sound, that is O, and the second one is silent. O, P, hope. And the next word is C, U, T, E. There are also in this word two vowels, U and E. The letter U will take the long vowel sound, that is U, and the second vowel is silent. The pronunciation of this word K, U, T, cute.